Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Note down first. I'll explain. I forgot to record it. Please note down till this portion. What they given over here is 1 plus secant A by secant A equal to sine square A by 1 minus cos A. What I was trying to say is, usually if you take left hand side and you simplify, somewhere else you will get right hand side. Then we can say that hence proved. But in this problem, right, you won't get like this. Instead of that, what we have to do, take left hand side and simplify, you will get some value. Then take right hand side and you will get some value. Let it be number 2. But at the end of the day, both 1 and 2 should be same. Then we can say that it is proved. So that is the mechanism we are going to follow to prove this problem. So we are taking the left hand side, which is nothing but 1 plus secant A by secant A. 1 is as it is, and secant A is nothing but 1 by cos A. And here also we are replacing with 1 by cos A. Now the LCM over here in the numerator is cos A. So it will become cos A plus 1 divided by 1 by cos A. Cos A will get cancelled. So the leftover over here is 1 plus cos A. Let it be number 1. That means we are there, right? We taken left hand side and we got some value. Now we are taking the right hand side. Right hand side is sine square A by 1 minus cos A. But what is the relationship between these two, sine and cos? We don't have any relationship, direct relationship. Instead of relationship, we have one identity. Sine square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Now sine square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A. So we are going to replace this numerator with 1 minus cos square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Any idea? Any clue? After that, what we do? Because what we need to prove that? We need to get 1 plus cos A. How do we get 1 plus cos A? Let it be 1 square. Now tell me, I already given the clue. What is the numerator?
A minus B whole square.
A square
Numerator is
minus
A whole square.
A plus
Is it
into A
okay?
minus.
No,
Sorry?
sir.
Square
A
minus
square
B square.
minus B square.
A square minus B square. That means A minus B, that is 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. Divided by, denominator is same. By,
Yes, sir. So 1 minus cos A in numerator will be cancelled.
right, 1 minus cos A. Now 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A will get cancelled, equal to 1 plus cos A. Let it be number 2. So you simplified LHS, you got one value. Then you simplified right hand side, you got another value. From 1 and 2, both are same, right? 1 and 2.
Yes, sir.
And say that from 1 and 2, both are same. Hence proved. Both are same. And then you can write hence proved. Yeah, please copy, children. I will minimize. Wow. Namshini, who is sitting with you? With whom you are talking?
Sir, no one.
Where is your grandfather?
Sir, he is in the hall.
Here only or hometown?
Sir, here only.
Oh, good. Father's father or mother father?
Father's father.
Good, good. Let me know, children, once you copy it, so that we'll move to the next problem. Where is Sanjana? Neha is there. Sanjana not joined, huh? Sanjana is there. Okay, I need to expand this.
Finish.
Finished? Copying is done? John Babu, copying is done.
Yes, sir.
Did you understood? Partially.
RHS I didn't understand.
Huh?
RHS I didn't understand.
RHS is the simple one. What is RHS? Sine square A by 1 minus cos A. We know that sine square A plus cos square A equal to 1. From this, what is the value of sine square A? Sine square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. That is what I replaced here. This sine square A is replaced with 1 minus cos square A. Now, this 1 can be written as 1 square. Why I am writing like that? Because this will become A square minus B square. If you want, note down, children, A square minus B square. A square minus B square equal to A minus B into A plus B. A minus B means 1 minus cos A. A plus B means 1 plus cos A. So 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A cancelled. The leftover piece is 1 plus cos A. Now 1 is also 1 plus cos A, 2 is also 1 plus cos A. Hence, it is proved. Okay. Say yes or no, children. If you keep quiet, I don't know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next problem. What is the next one? Yeah, this one. Let me Right. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosecant A plus cot A. That is what we need to prove. Okay. Let me copy this alone. Right. So what I mean to say here is, okay, multiple ways again we can prove this. I'll take one simple approach. What is the numerator? What is the left hand side over here? Cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Again, here also, right? You can take left hand side and then you can prove right hand side, or you can take right hand side and then you can prove the left hand side. How do we prove this? It is a little bit difficult to guess also. That's where I am telling. Any idea, any clue? Because this is the, where is the problem? This is the problem, right? Even if you see the clue, cosecant square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. But where we will apply that, that proof, that identity? Any idea? No,
No, sir.
no clue. I know that this is
So 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A.
right. 1 plus,
Cot square A is equal to cosec square A.
correct. Where you will use that identity? That's what my question. See, it's fine, but my question is where you will use that identity, right? Little bit difficult, tricky one only. Think. I'll give some time. Anywhere you will get any idea. Think through. All right. If not, I will only tell. There are, I mean, that's what I told, right? Multiple ways we can prove this one. That's the reason I'm telling. Now in max, right, without changing the value, we can do whatever you want, right? That is clear. Without changing the value. Suppose 2 is there. I can write 2 something like this. 5 into 5. Can I write like this? Yes or no? It's possible, right? I can write.
Yes.
In the left hand side also, what I am trying to say, multiply and divide by sign A. Can I do like that? Yes, you can do nothing wrong, right? Sign A will get cancelled. Again, you will get the original value. But only thing is, why we need to apply sign A? We'll come to know that. So what I will do here, I will give this sign A to this denominator and sign A to this denominator. That means I'm just going to rearrange cos A minus sin A plus 1 by sin A, and then divided by whole divided by what I can do again, cos A plus sin A minus 1 divided by, why I put cos A, yes. Sure. You're supposed to put what?
Sin A.
Sin A. And then divided by sin A. Is it correct? Nothing wrong here, right? The same thing I written in a different way. What I am trying to get over here, it's simple, right? What I can do here, cos A by sin A, sin A by sin A, 1 plus sin A. So distribute this sin A to the numerator for all the terms, so that what it will become, cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. Nakshatra, others it is important or I am not sure. For you and Tilak it is important. You need to focus more here. Open your camera. Cos A by sin A. Others are 9th class only. No issues for them. Here, sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Now tell me, cos by sin can be written as, how can we write cos by sin? Cot, correct. Cot A minus sin by sin cancel, right? Plus 1 by sin A is nothing but cosecant A divided by, again cos by sin is cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Please copy.
Sir, can you scroll up?
So can you minimize?
Sir, can you send this in the group, please?
Yeah, madam. Why?
Nothing, sir. I'm not able to write.
Okay. Please copy. We are almost done. There are 2 more steps.
Aaron Apple.
I will write something cot A plus cosecant A. I'm just rearranging the terms. Minus 1. Denominator as it is. Even if you want, you can put cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. Now, how do I remember the next logic? What is the relationship between cot and cosec? Is there any identity between them? Yesterday we proved, yesterday or day before yesterday, remember? Cosecant square A minus cot square A equal to 1, right? We proved this. So cosecant square A minus cot square A equal to 1. Now, this 1 can be replaced with this value. So what happens over here? Cot A plus cosecant A as it is. You keep this is one term minus that 1 is nothing but cosecant square A minus cot square A. And denominator you keep as it is, don't change anything. From now onwards, nothing to do with trigonometry formulas. What we can do, children, in the numerator? You can see this. How can we write this?
A square minus B square.
A square minus B square. How can we write?
A plus B into A minus B.
A plus B into A minus B. So, cot A plus cosecant A as it is, you can write. Right? Then minus big bracket. And then how can we write this? Cosecant A minus cot A into A minus B is done into A plus B. That is cosecant A plus cot A. Is it clear?
Yes.
Divided by is same as it is, nothing to do. Now tell me one thing. Let us observe this. Let us assume that this is A. This is B. And what about this? This cot A plus cosecant A is A. And what about this cot A plus cosecant A? This is also A, right? So that means A minus of BA. What is common in these two terms?
A.
A. If I take A outside, 1 minus B. Same way you need to think. A means cot A plus cosecant A. I am taking outside. Into 1 minus B. The value of B is cosecant A minus cot A because minus is there. So we will put a bracket. Cosecant A minus cot A. Is it clear? Nakshatra?
Yes.
Sir.
By this is as it is. What is next step? We are done almost. What to do? Tell me. We need to multiply with minus. So cot A plus cosecant A into
Sir, it is an A plus B into A minus B.
1 minus cosecant A, right? Minus into plus, minus,
Yes.
minus into minus, plus, divided by, can you observe and tell me? We are done, that's all. What we can do? Can you look into these two terms? Both are same or not same? Both are same, right?
Yes.
Cot
Can
A
cancel.
minus cosecant A plus 1. Cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. What we can do?
Cancel.
We can cancel. So got the RHS. Cot A plus cosecant A. Yeah, please copy, children. When we go movie last, right, the heat will be there, right? Climax will be there. Trigonometry also like this only. We are almost going to end the trigonometry, right? So more depth problems we will get.
So what's the next topic after this exercise?
After this exercise, we will split IIT Foundation. We will give a gap 1 month because next month completely you'll have exams, right? So I don't want to waste your time. So that next month, 9th class, there is no IIT Foundation class. Okay. Then we will resume again in October. Only we will have academics class only.
Sir, but on Saturday and Sunday you can keep academics classes, right?
No, sir. Sir, I promised you only 3 classes per week plus 1 IIT. If I have time, definitely I will do. Don't consider that Saturday, Sunday, you will have a class.
Oh, okay, sir.
Definitely, if needed, I will take, you know that, right? We are taking already.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to the next problem, children? Or still copy?
No, sir.
Saturday, Sunday is over. Weekend is over. Tomorrow onwards, again, office work will be there. For you people, nothing here, only one school only. Charvita is feeling, why I joined this class here? It is
No,
really.
sir.
I can read your face, Sanjan, Charvita.
No, sir. I'm not thinking it.
Okay. Shall we move to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Done. Shall I erase?
Yes, sir.
All right. Next problem. This is easy. These problems are all easy, not much complicated. Control A, Control C. Take the fourth problem, LHS. How many people know the search?
So short.
Not shirts, search. Rationalization.
Oh, I was.
Yes, sir. I know.
Why I will ask shirt and all, madam? Shirt, pant and all. 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A, right? That is the left-hand side. Okay. Now do the rationalization. What is the rationalizing factor for this?
1 plus sine A.
Right, 1 plus sine A. So the numerator will become 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A, what it will become?
A square minus B square.
No. I'm
Okay.
asking about the
Sir,
numerator.
it will
Okay.
be A plus B whole square.
It will be A plus B whole square. That means 1 plus sine A whole square. Right? What about the denominator? Charvita, you said right? That is correct for denominator.
So how can
A
the
minus,
numerator 1 plus sine A? It's not a formula, right? It's like
Who
if
said-
it is in the form of A square plus B square plus 2AB, then only we can write it as A plus B whole
is
square.
it? Okay. Tell me A into A, how much, Charvita?
Sir, A square.
1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A, what it will be?
Okay, sir. 1
Huh?
plus 1 plus sine A square.
1 plus sine A whole square. Next, look
Okay.
into the denominator. 1 minus, what is this? 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A. What is this formula?
A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square.
1 square minus sine square A. Okay. Now distribute the numerator, square root to both numerator and denominator. So it will become 1 plus sine A, nothing to do trigonometry, okay? 1 plus sine A whole square divided by square root of 1 square means 1 minus sine square A. What is your observation? What is the numerator will become? Nothing to do with trigonometry. Square root get cancelled. So 1 plus sine A. What about denominator, children? How can I replace 1 minus sine square A? Do you remember? Nakshatra, are you there?
Sir, to the power of 1
Yes,
by
sir,
2.
yes, sir.
What we can write 1 minus sine square A?
Sir,
So
it's
1 minus sine square can be written is equal to cos square A.
cos
Ah.
square.
1 minus sine square theta. It comes to here. 1 minus sine square theta can be written as cos square theta, right? Same way we'll apply here also. 1 minus sine square A is nothing but cos square A. What to do now? Square root cancel. 1 plus sine A by cos A. Almost done. What we need to prove, tell me? We need to prove secant A by plus tan A. That means if I have 1 by cos A and cos by sine by cos, I can replace that. Simply you can distribute the denominator 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A. Now 1 by cos can be written as secant A plus sine by cos can be written as tan A. This is what your RHS. Now you can copy. Call disconnects. Please rejoin. We will complete this and then only we'll wind up this class. Another 1, 2, 3, 4 problems. Copying is done.
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll move to the next problem. Let's try to solve this problem at homework. You will do this? Okay, it is simple. I'll do. What is the left-hand side? Sine theta minus 2 sine cubed theta. Sine theta minus 2 sine cubed theta divided by cos 2 cos cubed theta. What is common in numerator?
Sine theta.
Theta.
Sine theta. Very good. What is common in denominator?
Cos theta.
Cos.
Theta.
Take sine theta outside. Sine theta into 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Divided by cos theta is common. If I take out cos theta, then it will become 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now see, you need to prove tan theta. So already we are almost done. Now what to do here? We need to cancel these two terms. Cancel means don't cancel just like that. You need to cancel proper way. Then you will get the answer sine by cos. So let it be as it is, sine theta by cos theta. How can I cancel that? Convert numerator into cos or denominator into sine. Let it be numerator as it is, 2 sine square theta. What about cos square theta? What is the relationship between sine and cos? Any idea? Any relationship you will get? Don't have a relationship means what you should remember? You should remember sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, right? Now cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta. That's the only relationship between these two. So this cos square theta is replaced with 1 minus sine square theta. Because why? As I told, you need to cancel these two. And then this minus 1 as it is. After this, nothing to do with trigonometry. Sine theta by cos theta as it is, you will keep into numerator as it is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now tell me what the denominator will become. 2 into 1, 2. Plus into minus, minus.
So it will be 2 minus
2
2
sine
into
square
sine square theta minus
minus 1. Now look into these two terms. Minus 1 plus 2 is how much? Minus 1 plus 2 is how much, children?
1.
Oh my God. Danika, what is minus plus 2 minus 1?
So 1.
1.
Minus 1.
At 1. Why you are taking that much time to tell 1? So sine theta by cos theta, how much? Nakshatra, if I am asking others, you can answer because you and Tilak is the important. I don't know Tilak is there in the call or not. You are 10th class. You should answer all these things. Sine theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta into 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now tell me, plus 2 minus 1 is 1. And then minus 2 sine square theta. What happened here? 1 minus 2 sine square theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta will cancel. Therefore, the answer is tan theta, which is what you need to prove. RHS. Please copy.